So, very good morning to all of you. The topic of the discussion today that we are going to discuss is donation is good or bad. According to me, donation is a right thing to do. It is the act of helping people. Humans are quite emotional and we have to take care of each other, be it animal, human, or anything else that exists in this world. So, human that has emotion, if the emotions are shared, education is shared, and money is shared or resources are shared, so it makes a beautiful place for the people to live in, where all the people they are cooperative, all people they are helpful. So it is very easy for any society and the people to exist together and live. So donation, in my opinion, it is the best way to act with the kindness for the welfare of this humanity.
Many poor people are exit in everywhere, and if we will give money and everything, so they will bless for us. We should donate blood also, because many peoples are in hospitals and they are fighting with life.
When we are able to donate anything, so we should donate the money to poor person, because he feel good, and we should also donate the blood.
So according to me, donation is good, but we should not donate in temple, because it is not good, because not God don't do not beg money. So we should donation in not only poor people, in helpless people, they hungry, and if we have no money, so no problem, because if we have no money, if you have something like a food and cloth, so you can donate, it is good.
We should donate in government hospital, government schools, colleges, many facilities in government hospital like machines, many technical machines and many bed and many oxygens. And we should donate in government school, so we government school many better books and clothes to poor people, poor students.
Donation is good way, and we should donate poor people, because they have no anything like clothes and anything, so we should give money, clothes.
Rich person donate thousand and lakhs number of money in temples, and middle people donate 100 rupees. This is not a matter, but this is depend on person. He able to donate only 100 money, but he should donate money. And one time you also was telling that in temples, if we donate money, so saints operate the hospitals and schools. So this is right. And recently Sandhya Didi was telling that we should not donate on temples. This is wrong. We should donate only poor people. So of course we should also donate poor peoples and temples.
Donation is good because you are donate things and poor people is happy.
We should not give clothes to poor person, because some poor person don't wear the clothes. According to me, they are throw the garbage, so we should not give the clothes, and we should give food to all poor people, because he have hungry, so he eat food and he feel happy and good, and he pray to God for us.
If we donate something, so obviously God will help you and happy to you, but at firstly you should check to whom are giving us something, it is worth it or not, because now time any crime is going on, kidnap children, and who is the owner to to send the children another country and forcefully to make them beg. Donation, it is not about to giving a cloth and food and anything, because if you want to donate or something, so you should donate our blood, and if we will die, so obviously we should donate our body parts.
Good morning, friends. My name is Neha Rajput. My topic: we should donate or not. According to me, donate good and bad. Poor children, poor children not study foods, not no book, and donate give books. Sent is wrong. Used money and drinking liquor. People is very sad and give a smile and poor people happy.
I want to say few things about donation in the temple first. People, they have misconception whatever the money we donate into the temples, this money is not worth it. People are hungry, people are helpless, so this money should go to help them. I want to tell you that there are many organizations and almost every temples having a trust and which provides the food, twice food, right? And education, they operate schools, they operate hospitals. Wherever you go, they are working for the humanity. They are not keeping themselves, right? As far as the temples are concerned, they are also paying the taxes to the government. So the temples are the biggest organization in the world. Fine, economically they are contributing for society and they are contributing for the social and economic development of the country. And not only they are taking the money from the people and providing the services, they are keeping your culture alive. She said we should donate the clothes which is not helpful for the people, they throw anywhere. See, when you see people out there in the winter season especially, they don't have clothes, they are shaking due to the winter. Many people die on the road because of the heavy winter. They cannot tolerate, they do not have clothes to wear. It is very pathetic. If we have clothes which we do not wear, what we are doing keeping them in our home? There are many orphanages, there are many organizations where there are many clubs, in fact Rotary Club, Lions Club, they are working and they collect the thing from the people which are not used by them, and they are taking the things and giving to the needy person. So in the form of food, in the form of clothing, whatever you have which is not in your use, you should make sure that other people could get the fruitful benefit and the proper uses of this. So that's what we should keep this in mind and donate.
Some people think donation is only money, but donation is not only money, is everything. You donate everything: blood, organs, part, and clothes, and knowledge. Also knowledge. So donation is not money, is everything.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, all of you. My name is Reena Prajapati. My topic is donate good and bad. According to me, donation is very good because we donate, give clothes and money. Poor people don't study in private school, so we donate money in poor people, and government hospital many person fall sick, so we donate kidney and blood. Before some days, I gave the money to poor person. So smile comes on their face. So I feel happy and I was feel good. So we should give money and blood and food to give poor person, and we are not able to donate the money and food. So we should donate pani for thirsty person, water to thirsty person.
You are give money directly poor person, so poor person is grow, and we are support poor person, and poor person is very happy.
If we have nothing for donation, so we donate study. We can teach poor people for free, so this is good. And sometimes we go to railway station and temple, so there are many people, they back to money, so we should not give money because they are drunkard, not a poor people. Because if they have a need to money, so they go anywhere and do work. So if always give unto money.
Our work is give the money to poor people. This is not our work to find the what is he doing to money. This is not our work. This we know poor people have nothing to give. He can give only blessings. We can donate knowledge and confidence to students.
The law of sharing, it is the law of nature, and according to this law, people feel happy when they donate something which they have. Some people, they have money, they can donate money. Some people, they have education, they can educate people, and they are educating. So whatever you have, you can donate, but it should be fruitful for the people. You cannot donate liquor, you cannot donate like anything which may harm people, right? I think donation in many way, you feel good what you have sharing with others. Like, it has always been a counter argument among the people. You should not donate people money because they will misuse your money. Saurabh said, I do agree with this. Your intention and your work is to donate. That has gone from you. Don't worry about it, what he or she is going to do with this money. But if you have doubt still, there are some trust, there are some organization, specifically NGOs. So you can donate money, right? There, they will utilize your money in a right way. And you know what? Donating 5 rupees, donating even a single rupees, your single rupees is going for a good cause when you donate at the right place. You cannot spend 2000 rupees offering people food. You can invest and you can spend and donate 100 rupees. And these 100 rupees from the 100 people, they can organize a good meal for the people they actually need it, right? Many orphanages for the people, many educational institution for the poor children, they are going out there and begging. And children from their early age, because of no parents, because of no right education, they are engaged in criminal activities. So education, this is, I think, the biggest donation you can give to people. Although the education can change the future of a child. Money you give, which is consumed, right? Food, clothes, whatever you give, it will be consumed. But education is something that can change the mindset of a person. There are many people, they did not know about the parents. They were brought up in orphanages, and they became good officers and serving for the nation. There are many examples in our India. So what is more important? To educate people, to teach them the value of life, to teach them to contribute something. So like, there is nothing which is impossible today, right? Many things which have been possible, but if you have the right knowledge and you know how to utilize this knowledge. So education, this can change your thinking. Begging and this is all, although it is an economic crisis, due to this people beg, but more than the economical crisis, they don't have money, it is a mindset problem. Many people, they have good mind, they have sound mind, they have sound body, but still they beg. It is not right to donate them.
We should donate the money and anything directly to poor person. We should not give to government.
Saurabh said that कि physics wala and Khan sir free donate to poor person. He is right, but physics wala is also start in offline coaching in Kota, Indore, in other side. So he take money whatever he poor person or not. So and he teach in YouTube, but YouTube give money, so he didn't donate to poor person. Some person donate anything, so he take selfie and upload on Instagram. This is wrong. Instagram and WhatsApp, this is wrong. And in that time of Corona, many person donate, but he take selfie, he take video. This is wrong. You take donation, you should take donation, so you didn't take video.
This is not a matter. YouTube give the money from YouTuber. So in 11th is, if we are studying in 11th standard, so we can see all chapters in YouTube by the channel of Physics Wala. But he is not our matter that YouTube gives the money, and but we can see video in free.
If we will donate money of poor people, so they happy and they will pray for us, so we will also happy, and one profit is also come for India, because if we will donate money of poor people, so poor people will less and India will improve. And if we want to help, so we should help poor people and beggars, and we should give money in temples and government hospitals.
Donation, it is not about to giving something, because most of the time I go to the college by the bus, and we have already seen that any old lady and pregnant lady was standing, and a healthy person is sitting. So obviously we should offer our seat, because one day I go to the college, and one old man is standing there, and I am sitting on the seat. So I offered my seat, and he smiled, and he blessed me.
From the above discussion, I want to put my last views about this topic: donation is right or wrong. As per the richest people in the world, according to them, after a certain period of life, at the certain stage above that, money stop giving you happiness. Even if you are at the lower level, money will serve you pleasure, happiness. You'll be very happy. Most of the things in this world you can buy, right? Almost everything you can buy through the money. But after you enjoy all the things, at one point of time, money stop giving you happiness. What makes you happy, what increases your happiness index, is the service. Therefore, every big business tycoon today agree on the same point: law of sharing. It gives you happiness. And if we see according to the humanity, when we share anything what we possess, when we share this, it also makes us happy. No matter what people, how they are using it. From our side, we are donating something for a good cause, and it is a very good act of the kindness. And we are the human being, we have the bigger responsibility to take care of all the beings and the things that exist on this planet, because we have ability to think. We can exploit the things, and we can create and construct the things. So donation, in my opinion, is a right way, and this is the right way to fill the gap between the people. If you have something in excess, other side you see people, they are living their life in the dire poverty and scarcity. So you can give what you have in excess, so this gap can be filled, and that is how we'll be able to make this world a beautiful living place for all the being. So donation is good. We should donate money. It makes us happy, it gives us pleasure, and it gives us happiness. So it is a compulsory act for all the people. We should not donate only because of we have everything, we should be proud. No, we should donate because we are designed to donate the things, and you should not be very much proud. Let people not be aware of what you are donating. As he said, people, they donate something and they take the pictures and upload on their social media. It is a wrong act. We should not make mockery of a person, right, whom you are donating. You are insulting that person, right? So just to make yourself feel proud, just to make yourself popular in the public, many politicians are doing, but this is not a right way. Donation, that is between only 3 people should know about the donation. First is the donor, second who is getting the donation, and the third is the divine, right? Not you do not need to promote this service like what you are doing, and we should all come together and donate what we have, no matter money, but everything, like anything what you have, you can donate simply. Thank you very much.